Welcome to this tour of Zimmerman Estate. It is approximately 13 kilometers northeast of Nairobi's central business district. We shall start our approach through Priter Road. Go past Roysambu and make our entry at Mirema. The neighborhood is high density, hosting the lower middle income to low income segment of the Nairobi residents. We shall walk together through this mixed-use and residential suburb of the city of Nairobi. We shall explore the origins of the estate, from rental prices, infrastructure, as well as a budding nightlife.
Unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Shani.
Wewe ni mrembo.
Asante.
So, kwani uko solo hapa?
Wengine wamepata clients.
Wamepata clients. So, hebu niambie unauza short how much?
Short ni punch tu.
This is told from the views of resident.
Zima ni mtaa kama mtaa hizi kine. Generally mtaa za Kenya unajua vile ziko. Hustling nini, mavijana, youth and employment.
As well as a first-hand experience. If you are looking to move into this estate or just want to have a tour, this is the video for you. Zimmerman Estate is located within the larger Kasarani area. The neighborhood got its name from a German industrialist, Karl Fritz Paul Zimmerman, who was the proprietor of a taxidermy factory. Before it closed shop in 1977, after the ban on hunting, the Zimmerman taxidermy factory was the second largest in the world. We'll start our approach through Priter Road. In this estate, you will find buildings on each sides and vibandas lined up on the streets. Vibandas overrun the supposed sidewalks. Only high-end apartments have lifts. shillings. 2 bedrooms start from 15,000 shillings. The Zimmerman Estate is equipped with all necessary amenities that you'll need for a comfortable living. The drainage system in Zimmerman is poor, which leads to waste accumulating in the sewer.
Shinda ya hapa ni sewer line. Hakuna njia sewer line ya hapa. Hatuna. Watoto wanaweza kujeka magonjwa mabaya sana.
This is the evidence of poor urban planning. The estate is a 24-hour residential economy neighborhood, mainly because of the 24-hour transport system. Zima is very attractive to the pocket, rent-wise that is, making it ideal to new jobbers who have to survive on their first salaries. Life is comfortable here because you don't have to struggle that hard to pay rent. A bedsitter costs 7,000 shillings a month and a 1-bedroom house goes for 10,000 shillings. 2 bedrooms starts from 15,000 shillings. You can get a variety of either few bungalows that still remain or the apartments that are more common. Zimmerman is a very secure neighborhood. You can walk at night without watching your back.
Zimmerman inaweza kujifunia mambo ya peace. Sababu watu hapa wako na amani, hata ukiona wanatembea wana furaha, na watu wako na umoja.
To see available properties for sale listed on our website, click on the link in the description section. As you explore the estate further, offensive odor fill the alleys, a concoction of garbage and overflowing sewer waste. Numerous schools also dot the area, i.e. Roysambu Primary School, St. Anthony's Academy, Houston Primary School, and Elite Zimmerman. you are a church-going person, you are not left out. Several churches dot the estate.
Anybody who has ever been conned here?
Anybody?
Watu wazuri wa Mungu hamjakuwa conned. Me I have.
Wale ambao wameweza kuibiwa.
Wacha kunitisha tu wewe unakuwa msharp.
Don't tell me you are
Con man.
Wale ambao wanakuibia.
Anakujaga mahali upo.
They come where you are.
Na anakuambia vile unataka.
And they tell you how
na
you want
kwanza
to be.
ukitaka utajiri.
And if you want riches,
hapo.
They'll tell you.
Kwanza nani anapenda kutajirika hapa?
Who wants to be rich here?
Bas, you are a candidate.
Wewe.
Sorted two are Muslims. There are several shopping centers. Hospitals and restaurants located nearby. If you love recreational activities, you may have to take a matatu to find one. Due to the congestion in the estate, not much ground is left for playtime.
Vijana wetu vile unaona wanarandaranda hapa, hawana playground, wanaweza enda kuchezea mpira ama michezo yoyote ya vijana. Hatuna social hall ya watoto wetu wakati hawako shule.
Vehicles and pedestrians set out for the evening's entertainment. The streets are filled with people minding their business. The sky glows dull red as light percolates through the haze of coal smoke. Bars give the congested estate a touch of debauchery and decadence, as well as a dash of danger, especially at night. At night, girls of the night come to showcase their wares. For as little as 200 shillings, you can get pleasure. For slightly more, the girl can be yours.
Kuna place napelekanga clients wangu.
Wapi?
Hapa tu chini si mbali.
Na itatake how long?
It depends. With how you want it served.
Overall, the Zimmerman Estate is a vibrant estate full of life and an ideal estate if you're just starting life in the capital. At night, pedestrians and vehicles create a different vibey environment. Consumers are out looking for supper. That's when mama mbogas are very active, while some are coming from work. With light from vehicles and premises lighting the streets of Zimmerman. Consider subscribing so that you do not miss on our videos. We shall upload a new video every week. I'll see you in the next one.